Traveling is a deeply personal experience, and your zodiac sign can reveal a lot about how you prefer to explore the world. Each sign has unique traits that influence your travel style, from the way you plan your itinerary to how you unwind on the road. In today's video, we're diving into an in-depth guide to your zodiac's ultimate travel rituals, self-care tips, and must-pack essentials to ensure you have a fulfilling and stress-free journey. For Aries, travel is synonymous with adventure and excitement. You thrive in fast-paced environments and love the rush of discovering new places. Start your mornings with a quick, intense workout to channel your energy and stay open to last-minute changes. After all, it's often the unexpected adventures that become the most memorable. A good tip is to incorporate short breaks into your itinerary to prevent burnout. Carry an essential oil blend like peppermint or eucalyptus to help you relax and recharge for the next adventure. Something you must have: a portable charger to keep your devices powered up on the go. Running shoes for spontaneous hikes and runs. A sturdy backpack for all your gear. Consider traveling with a companion who can match your pace and share your love for adventure. Alternatively, solo travel can also be incredibly rewarding, giving you the freedom to set your own spontaneous agenda. As a Taurus, you value comfort and luxury in every aspect of your life, and travel is no exception. Opt for destinations known for their culinary delights or natural beauty. Start your day with a leisurely breakfast in a cozy cafe, and don't hesitate to splurge on a 5-star hotel or a high-end spa experience. Your travel tip: pampering is key to your travel experience. A portable massage tool or a luxurious silk sleep mask can help maintain your comfort levels on the road. Must-pack essentials: a plush travel pillow for long flights, your favorite snacks to keep your energy levels up, a high-quality skincare set to keep your glow intact. Consider booking a stay at a boutique hotel or a bed and breakfast that offers personalized service and a homely atmosphere. This will enhance your travel experience, providing the comfort and care that you cherish. Geminis are known for their versatility and love for variety. You thrive in dynamic environments where you can experience a little bit of everything. A mix of cultural experiences, nightlife, and day trips suits your ever-curious nature. Whenever you can, find moments of peace amidst your busy itinerary. Download a meditation app or pack calming teas to help you unwind after a full day of activities. You must pack a journal to document your thoughts and ideas. Noise-canceling headphones for when you need to retreat from the hustle and bustle. A versatile wardrobe for every occasion, from casual outings to chic evening events. Bonus tip for you, Gemini, my solo travelers: join a group tour or a local meetup to satisfy your social cravings while traveling. You'll have plenty of opportunities to engage with others while exploring new places. Cancer, often known as the homebody, nurturing and secure. Cancers are deeply connected to their home and family, making it essential for you to create a sense of home wherever you go. Bring along personal items that evoke comfort and familiarity, such as a favorite blanket or scented candle. You prefer destinations where you can immerse yourself in local culture and connect with the community. Self-care tip for you: protect your emotional well-being by scheduling alone time during your travels. Carry a small talisman, or crystal, like rose quartz, to help you stay grounded. Make sure you pack a portable photo album as a reminder of home, a soothing herbal tea collection to unwind after a long day, a soft cardigan for warmth and comfort. Bonus, because I love my Cancers, consider staying in a homestay or a family-run guest house to enjoy a more personal and intimate travel experience. This will help you feel more connected and at ease. Leo is often seen as the glamorous leader. Leos love to travel in style and often choose destinations where they can make a statement. Whether it's a luxurious resort or a vibrant city, you enjoy being in the spotlight. Your trip should include high-end experiences, like dining at gourmet restaurants and attending exclusive events. Your self-care tip: pamper yourself with spa treatments and beauty rituals. Your confidence is your best accessory, so take time for positive affirmations and relaxation. Don't leave home without your statement outfits that allow you to shine. Luxury skincare products to maintain your glowing complexion. A stylish travel diary to document your glamorous adventures. Also, consider booking a photo shoot or attending a high-profile event during your travels. These experiences will allow you to capture your trip in style and create lasting memories. Virgo are known as the perfectionist of the zodiac. Virgos are known for their attention to detail and love for organization. You prefer well-planned trips with carefully crafted itineraries, ensuring every aspect of your journey is smooth and efficient. Your meticulous nature thrives in clean, orderly environments. Tip for you: allow yourself some flexibility and embrace the occasional spontaneous adventure. A mindfulness app can help you stay centered when things don't go as planned. Pack a travel-sized organizer for documents and toiletries, a portable first aid kit for any situation, a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated and eco-conscious. Your bonus tip: consider booking accommodations that prioritize cleanliness and efficiency, such as a minimalist hotel or a well-rated Airbnb. This aligns with your need for order and structure during your travels. Libras are known as the harmonious traveler. Libras are naturally drawn to beauty and balance. You appreciate art, design, and fashion, and enjoy exploring visually appealing and culturally rich places. Your travels are all about finding and appreciating beauty in every experience. For my Libras, your self-care tips: maintain balance by carving out time for personal reflection after social activities. A good book or curated music playlist can help you unwind. Must have in your travel bags: a small, compact, sleek bag to hold all your little items, your wallet and passport. A camera to capture beautiful moments. A travel journal for documenting your reflections. Bonus tip for you, my Libras: visit destinations known for their cultural and aesthetic appeal, such as Paris, Kyoto, or Venice. These locations offer a balanced blend of history, culture, and elegance. Scorpio, the intense explorer. Scorpios are known for their intensity and desire for deep, transformative experiences. You seek out destinations that offer mystery, history, and a sense of the unknown. Your travels are often a journey of self-discovery, where you fully immerse yourself in the environment and culture. Self-care tip for you: stay grounded during your travels by packing grounding crystals like hematite and practicing deep breathing exercises to maintain emotional balance. A must-pack, a sturdy notebook for documenting your thoughts and discoveries. A multifunctional travel tool for any situation. Comfortable footwear for long explorations. Bonus, consider destinations with rich histories and mysteries, such as Egypt, Peru, or Transylvania. These places offer the depth and intensity that Scorpios crave. Sagittarius, the free spirit. Sagittarians are the quintessential travelers, always seeking new horizons and embracing the unknown. You thrive on spontaneity and adventure, preferring trips that offer freedom and the chance to explore without rigid plans. Care tip: while you love your freedom, staying connected with loved ones is important. Pack a portable Wi-Fi device to keep in touch, no matter where your travels take you. Essentials: a durable travel backpack for all your belongings, a lightweight sleeping bag for impromptu camping adventures, a reliable navigation app to find your way, even in remote locations. Bonus, consider destinations that offer a mix of cultural experiences and natural beauty, like New Zealand, Patagonia, or Southeast Asia. These places will satisfy your adventurous spirit while offering the flexibility you crave. Capricorn, the strategic traveler. Capricorns are strategic thinkers and goal-oriented travelers. You prefer to maximize your time by combining business with pleasure, planning trips around conferences, business meetings, or professional engagements. Self-care schedule, downtime during your travels to recharge your energy. A portable spa kit or a good audiobook can help you unwind after a busy day. Must packs, a compact planner to keep track of your schedule. A quality travel briefcase for your work essentials. Comfortable walking shoes for exploring new cities between meetings. Your bonus, consider destinations that offer a blend of business opportunities and cultural experiences, like Tokyo, London, or Singapore. These cities allow you to network, learn, and explore all in one trip. Aquarius, the innovator. Aquarians are known for their innovative and unconventional approach to life. You're drawn to destinations off the beaten path, offering unique experiences and opportunities to explore new ideas. Self-care tip: stay true to your individuality by bringing along items that reflect your uniqueness, like a quirky travel gadget or a favorite piece of tech. Must pack a portable solar charger for eco-friendly power, a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated and reduce your environmental impact, a travel guidebook for exploring alternative destinations. Bonus tip: visit destinations known for innovation and progressive culture, like Berlin, Reykjavik, or San Francisco. These cities will satisfy your curiosity and desire for something different. Pisces, the dreamer. Pisceans are intuitive and emotional, making you a traveler who seeks out destinations that resonate with your inner world. You're drawn to serene, water-connected locations where you can relax and tap into your creativity. Self-care tip: protect your energy while traveling by bringing along a calming essential oil blend or a meditation app to stay grounded and centered. Must pack essentials: a journal to capture your thoughts and reflections, a soft shawl for comfort and warmth, a good book to escape into during your travels. Bonus tip: consider destinations that offer tranquility and a connection to water, like the Maldives, Santorini, or Bali. These places will nourish your soul and allow you to fully immerse yourself in peaceful surroundings. No matter your zodiac sign, the key to a fulfilling travel experience lies in embracing what makes you unique. By aligning your travel rituals with your astrological tendencies, you'll create journeys that not only satisfy your wanderlust, but also nourish your soul. So, pack your bags with intention and let the stars guide your next adventure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more astrology and travel tips.